Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website withdraw proof. You can receive your free cryptocurrency from that website instantly in your Faucetpay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website name is Autobitcoin, and I working in this website much 1 year ago. Right now I have this much Litecoin. I will share with you the withdraw proof of this website. Just I go to withdrawal. Okay, this website support 28 cryptocurrency, and just I click withdrawal. Okay, wait for a few seconds and just processing for Faucetpay. Okay, this is your Faucetpay wallet address, and just click max and solve capture. Okay, just click left, right, and just click withdraw. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. Just go to Faucetpay, just reload the page, wait few seconds, this website pay you. Okay, and you can see this much Litecoin I received from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. You can easily make your free cryptocurrency from this website. If you like to make much more, just visit this website and you can claim much more from this website. Okay, this all free tokens, shortings, mining, and afterwards you can choose minings and shortings, and afterwards you can earn much more from this all. Okay, and this much hash power is 1 FCT. You can just make your transaction. Okay, just click start. This will be making work and making hash power per second. Okay, every second how much hash power you earn, and that time you can make it. But right now it's turned off. After a few weeks this will be available again. You can go to GPNGU mining. You can download this miner and you can start mining from your own. Okay, you can just click download and wait few seconds. This will be download to your computer, and you can start mining. And this all about mining. This all the mining steps and mining website, mining plugin website. That's all, and you can make it much more. Okay, just solve the capture. You can change your hash power to FCT, and you can earn much more FCT, and you can exchange it to your free cryptocurrency. And thanks for watching guys, and this is my YouTube channel. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website. Okay, bye bye for now.